Hello everyone and welcome to the review of the Aqara double switch smart switch, and this works similar with the ones that I have tested previously, the small round ones. Those were having just one push button. Well, this one looks like this. It has two rockers, if you can call them that way. This is of course wireless and it connects to your smart hub through Zigbee protocol or something like that, and you have two buttons that you can program. There are two versions of this switch. This one has a spring and it's only one push button here, but you can program several functions such as quick push, long press, double press, and each of those functions can control something. And of course you get two of those switches in just one single switch, and you can program two different devices or more functions that you can program with the three functions per switch, so you have a total of 6 functions. And it looks something like this in the app. After you add it, you can go to automation, and you can see I have 6 functions for this. The left button here will control an E-Light smart bulb, and the right button here will control the main E-Light lamp. And for instance, I can turn off the lamp, and you can see that now it's darker here, and I can turn it back on, or I can switch its working mode. For instance, long press to turn on the night mode, and that's the night mode. And I can double press the switch and turn it to full mode, and I can quickly press the switch and turn it off completely. And that's how this works. Really smart, really simple, and very easy to program. Oh, the biggest advantage of this switch is that you don't have to modify any kind of electrics in your home. You don't have to remove the original switch, you just leave that on. You need a smart bulb or a smart lamp, and with the integration of the automation with the Mi Home, you can control all of those with just this switch without modifying anything. Of course, you can use this switch for other functions, such as using this to start the vacuum cleaner or the air purifier, or turning on or off the air conditioning or stuff like that. So all it's available for this switch, not only controlling the lights, and you don't have to do anything else. And I really love that. You can even leave it on the table. It has some nice silicone rubber feet here, so it will not slip off the table. You can use this on your bedside cabinet, so you can control the lights without needing to find the remote or searching for that switch on the wall. Just press it and it works right away. So that was it for now. I hope that you have enjoyed this. Be sure to follow my next uploads where I'm going to test more of these smart home devices. And you can also check the playlist. I'm going to leave a link somewhere around here with more smart home devices, and you can see all of them there, like series, and you can see more smart stuff to use around your home. Until then, see you and bye bye.